Today's video, I'm going to show you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting using a meeting ID and password. This is a simple process that ensures you can connect with your team quickly and efficiently, whether you're working remotely, attending an online class, or hopping on a quick project call. First, you need to sign into your Microsoft Teams account. If you're not already logged in, open your browser and head to the Microsoft Teams portal. Enter your login credentials, and once signed in, you'll be directed to the main Teams dashboard. This is where all the action happens. On the left-hand side, you'll see options such as Chat, Teams, Calendar, and Meetings. Familiarizing yourself with this layout will make navigating Teams much easier. Next, locate the Meet option. This can usually be found as a button or tab on the main screen. Clicking it will open a section dedicated to meetings, allowing you to schedule, organize, or join meetings efficiently. For our purpose today, focus on the option labeled Join with a Meeting ID. Selecting this will open a new window or pop-up where you can enter the details provided to you by the meeting organizer. Start by entering the meeting ID. This is typically a series of numbers or letters, so it's important to type it accurately. Any errors here can prevent you from joining the meeting. Take your time, double-check the characters, and ensure there are no extra spaces if you're copying and pasting the ID. After entering the meeting ID, input the meeting passcode. This is an additional security feature to make sure only invited participants can join. Type it exactly as provided, again taking care to avoid any extra spaces or missing characters. Once both the meeting ID and passcode are entered correctly, click the Join Meeting button. You will then be connected to the meeting room. Your audio and video settings will default to your previous preferences, but you can adjust these settings anytime during the meeting. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can join a Microsoft Teams meeting with a meeting ID and password quickly and securely. This method helps maintain smooth communication and ensures you never miss important discussions, no matter where you are. Thanks for watching and happy meeting.